These are directions for the Nearpod sequencing activity. First, you're going to click where it says Nearpod Student Pace, Sequencing Activity for My Day. You need to enter your name on the first box, then click the blue arrow on the right. This is the cover page for the activities. I want you to look at the pictures on the right side of the page and describe what you see in each one to your parent. Then click on the blue arrow. You will put the pictures in order starting by clicking the number 1 and then the picture of the first thing that happened that morning. When you've finished matching all the activities for the day, click on the blue arrow. Now you will see the pictures are in order from the first thing that happened all the way around to the last thing. Retell the story using the sentences in red at the bottom of the page. First, I woke up in the morning and stretched. Next, that's an example of what you will do. Have fun!